The statement that all the stars revolve around the North Star is not entirely accurate. The stars in the night sky appear to move due to the rotation of the Earth on its axis. This apparent movement is known as the diurnal motion. From the perspective of an observer on Earth, the stars appear to revolve around two key points in the sky: the North Celestial Pole and the South Celestial Pole. The North Star, also known as Polaris, is the star closest to the North Celestial Pole. It lies almost directly above Earth's North Pole. The reason Polaris appears relatively stationary while other stars seem to rotate around it is because it is located very close to the Earth's rotational axis. As the Earth spins on its axis, the stars appear to revolve around the celestial poles. Polaris happens to be positioned in such a way that it remains nearly fixed in the northern sky, while other stars appear to move in circular paths around it. However, it's important to note that the stars do not actually revolve around Polaris itself. The rotation of the Earth creates the illusion of their movement. If you were at a different location on Earth, the apparent rotation would be centered around a different star or celestial pole. Additionally, the diurnal motion is just the result of Earth's rotation. The stars are incredibly distant objects, and they have their own independent motions and orbits. Over longer periods of time, stars do not orbit around Polaris or any other single point. They have their own paths and motions influenced by factors such as gravity and the dynamics of our galaxy, the Milky Way.